Okay guys, we are at the field right now, and if you guys follow the channel, you guys should know these birds. This is the one that we're testing out today. I was gonna run it with this motor here that you see, but that didn't work out too well because for some reason the ESC was not powerful enough to run it, and so it would lose power in the middle, which is not a good thing. We're gonna try to run it with this battery here, and I brought a bunch of other batteries just in case that doesn't work. But I also brought my J11 because J11 is awesome, it's one of the birds that I put together and actually works very well. So I basically re-engineered it. That's just in case you guys wanted to get a RC Sailor shirt. You could do that over there. The other day I had the Captain Drone shirt on. Anyway, I wish I had a shirt for every one of my favorite YouTubers, but maybe that'll be something that happens in future. For now, we have what we have. I'm currently wearing my RC Sailor shirt because I'm a half glass full kind of guy, so although all kinds of stuff happens on the channel, I try my best to overcome those things and just get back in the air. So we're gonna test this stuff out, but you're gonna see it on the VR camera video because I can't be shooting with too many things, and I don't have the other tripods. So thanks for watching if you're watching on the YouTube, and the rest is going to be history for now. We're going to continue on with the flight on the VR camera here, so let's see what happens. We've got our good old remote. I'm going to turn it on first, and then I'm going to turn the burn on. And I like to bring multiple things to the field, whether it's drones or planes, just in case something messes up, and I always want to have something that actually works with me. Hopefully, if you bring enough stuff, at least one thing will work on the day. So let's give it a shot. The bird is ready to go. I think it's in shot. Should have power, but as you can see here, it started off with no power. So let's start that again, try it again. Unplug, replug, and hopefully this time is nothing. Okay, now we've got something going on. Something going on. I'm just along here, son of a sinner. Alright. Okay, this could go well, this could go horribly. We don't know. But let's give it a shot anyway. Make sure the control surfaces are level, sort of. Oh, it's turning. Why was it turning? I don't know. I do not want it turning. Not sure what's going on there. I want it to be level. It's I have to try it hand launch. We'll try it hand launch and see if that's better. Just by doing that, I can tell you guys that something's really off for the plane. So we're going to try a different battery, something a little bit heavier, and see if that does anything, because it seems to want to just spin. So obviously the weight or something is off here. So that was a no-go there. I found the biggest battery that I could find here that hopefully will run with the plane, and we can see if that does anything better or not. Here we go. It did sort of give me some kind of input. Let's try that. Not much going on. Try it again. And that's one of the things with this eachine is I felt like the ESC is a little bit finicky. I think that's